police people and the army people, I want to pray for you this evening. This is the night when the Lord normally speaks from his servant. This is midnight. I think this is 1:30. I am here to address some issues and warn police officers and army officers and all these security operatives. Listen, Moja Moja is from Cameroon. When I'm talking about Moja Moja, I don't know Moja Moja before. Before I made the first video about him, I don't know him. I have now had his history. But when I finished that video was when I went to the history to ask, who is Moja Moja? And everything was analyzed fully. He's an army officer working as a spy in the La République. This is French. That is the Republic of Cameroon. Now, what happened to him? The La République, that is the Republic of Cameroon, the government of Cameroon have swallowed him. When I am talking about Cameroon, I always talk about Nigeria. Nigeria and Cameroon, they are brothers. Irrespective that the government, the elites, the people that ruled Nigeria in some years ago sold Nigeria to Cameroon, which is called Bakassi Peninsula, in order to cause problem for the people of Nigeria, people of Biafra and Cameroon. The land belonged to Biafran from Akwa Ibom down. All of these are Biafran territory. The land was sold. Go to history, you will read more better of this land. When you talk about Cameroon, Ambazonians, you are talking about Nigeria. Forget the borders. All of us speak one language. You will still see people that are speaking Calabar language or Ekom language. Yes, you will still see people that are speaking our broken language in Nigeria. They speak that, and we understand it, and they understand our own. Even they formed allied like brothers. You check the Biafra Liberation Army and the Ambazonia Liberation Army, they are working together against the government of Cameroon and against the government of Nigeria. Pay attention to history. Now, Moja Moja is a spy, a government spy to the La République, that the Republic of Cameroon, led by Paul Biya. Now, I want to tell you, whenever the government of Nigeria is giving you award or calling you as an expert to come and do something as a security officer, you need to be very careful. One, that they are digging your grave for you. Two, they are using you to finish their unfinished problems. After then, they are going to bury you and cover you up. Where is Abba Kyari? The one they call the super corp. I am talking from experience. Nobody can tell anyone that is in Nigeria the history of Abba Kyari. Abba Kyari is a junior brother now to Moja Moja of Cameroon. The same thing that happened to Abba Kyari in 2021 is the same thing happening to Moja Moja in 2024. Let me come. The La République and the Anglophone, that is the English-speaking Cameroon, that is called the Ambazonians, were sent to Ambazonia to start killing them because they have picked up arms because the La République have refused to give them freedom. That I'm talking of the Ambazonia. They have refused to give them their own country called the Ambazonia. Now, they set Moja Moja as a spy to go and kill them. Moja Moja have killed a lot of them, and he bragged in all his videos, and they are calling him, giving him different types of plaque. to congratulate him that he is doing very well. He don't know that the La République of Cameroon is digging a grave where he will be buried. You may not understand. If you are a police officer, if you are an army officer that is used to chase people, finish it, they will chase you. Because that is where their secret is lying. And anybody who knows that you know his secret, and he knows that you can attack him at any time, when you finish that, they will bury you so that you will not stand to fight them. The same thing happening to Abba Kyari. Abba Kyari was enacted to catch criminals, high-profile criminals and kidnappers. When they caught the first one, they were praising him. They called him a super corp. They gave him all manner of plaque to congratulate him for job well done. He have caught a lot of people. Abba Kyari have dealt with a lot of people, both the ones that are alive and the ones that are dead. And they are like this, like a cat, waiting for him to misbehave. You know, they said power, absolute power intoxicates absolutely. When you are given a plaque from the Federal Republic, your head will puff. That is when you are supposed to be very careful of what you do, because they are waiting for you to devour you. Your enemies are waiting for you. Now, where is Abba Kyari? Abba Kyari's case have gone silent. He has spent not less than 3 years in the jail because of the super job he has done. Now they are charging him for drug peddling. They are charging him for all manner of criminal cases. The same way it is happening to Moja Moja. Moja Moja have gone to defecate in the church, and he is hearing the sound right now. Anywhere he is now, he is hearing the sound. It's not all about raising up arms to kill an innocent person. It is the repercussion that follows you killing an innocent person. Thou shalt not kill. That is what the Bible says. It is not all about becoming a super cop like Abba Kyari. It is all about the end of your job. They don't end up well. So I call you, if the government of Nigeria is using you as a high-profile cop to catch a high-profile criminals, be very careful. If Cameroon government is using you to fight high-profile terrorism, be careful. After you finish fighting it, either they charge you for drug peddling, they will charge you for mutilation. If they don't charge you for that, they will charge you for terrorism. If they don't charge you for terrorism, they will charge you for bribery and corruption. They are waiting for you. They are eye open waiting for you. All the cops, the super cops, the final one who have gone to this thing should be very careful. Be very careful. Share this across to every policeman you are seeing. Many has gone. If you are a super cop, you end up super, in a super way, in the jail. If they don't kill you immediately, they will waste time and drill you for years. All the things you will do, you will achieve in life, you will not achieve them. That is their way of operation. Be very careful. You are a super cop. Stop going against the law. Do your job in a right way. Don't use that power they gave you to. Let that power not intoxicate you, because they are waiting for you in a junction where you will pass. So, when you get to that junction, they will hold you like this. For all the people you have killed, they will now remind you of the international law. And at least in Nigeria, it was gazetted. That is fundamental human right. It was gazetted at number 33. That is section 33. They will now tell you that everyone has the right to life, and no one has the right to deprive you of your life. That is where they will hold you. So they have given you the certificate of doing well that makes you to become Chief Justice of the whole world, and you start killing people anyhow. At that junction, when they will meet you, they will read that section 33. I don't know how it is gazetted in the in the law of Cameroon, but this is an international law. That is where they will keep you, even if you don't commit any other heinous crime like drug peddling, bribery, and other corruptions. They will hold you this for killing. They tell you you have killed innocent person. They will use that right that you have forcefully removed the life you did not give. And the law states, according to the fundamental human right, the right to life, they will hold you there. From there, you will be sentenced. From sentencing you to many years imprisonment, all your targets, all the things you have planned in life will go to Eldorado. You will go to Eldorado. My name is Ambassador Single Edwin. I am your prophet in disguise. I will never lie to you. The Lord said, you shall know the truth, and the truth shall set you free. If you are a police, when you are walking, walk with the fear of God. If you are an army, walk with the fear of God. The Bible says in the book of Exodus chapter 21, it said, thou shalt not kill. Because if you kill, you will be killed. Let this be as a reminder to every police officer, to every armed officer, call it a soldier, an army, or navy, or air force, or anyone at all. It's a reminder. God bless you. And if you see, if what I have done here is good to you, please subscribe. But if it is not good to you, don't subscribe. I don't want you. If what I am saying here is not good to you, I don't want you. Don't even watch me next time. Just if you see me pass by, don't listen. Because I have no time to waste on people that doesn't matter. If you don't like what I am saying here, that means you don't matter to me and to my channel. You can go to hell. If Bible says that if men did not praise me, say, I will cause the stone to praise me. God bless you.